If you are looking for the best cat bowl, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Neater Feeder Express Elevated Dog and Cat Bowls. Many cats can benefit from using an elevated feed station, and the Neater Feeder Express pet bowls offer the perfect way to provide this for your cats. With a compact and easy-to-clean design, this feeder uses 2 stack-able trays to catch and separate spilled water and food. This helps to keep the feeding area neat and clean, which appeals to fussy cats. This feeding station includes 2 high-quality stainless steel bowls, which are one of the best materials for cat bowls. It is easy to use. Number 2. Van Ness ECOWARE Cat Dish. The shallow and wide design of the Van Ness ECOWARE cat dish is specifically designed to appeal to cats. If your cat dislikes deep and narrow bowls, then this is the perfect alternative. It's suitable for wet food, kibble, and water, so you may decide you want to invest in more than one. The highly polished finish of this bowl is easy to clean, and also features a cute kitty face. The base of this cat bowl is covered with a kitchen-grade silicone, which prevents it from sliding around on tiled or hardwood floors. Number 3. Lorde Cat Bowl, Shallow Cat Food Bowls, Wide Cat Dish. The Lorde set of shallow cat bowls is a great general-purpose option for feeding your cat. The set includes 2 bowls, one white one and one in your choice of black or pink, both in a cute and decorative cat head shape complete with ears. The bowls are about 5.8 inches wide at their widest point and 4.8 inches front to back, and are about 1 inch deep. The bowls are made of durable, BPA-free melamine, which makes them non-toxic, non-allergenic, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean. In fact, they're dishwasher safe. Number 4. Americat Company Stainless Steel Cat Bowls. The Americat Company set of stainless steel cat bowls is another great option for those with larger budgets. The set includes 2 bowls made from solid, heavy stainless steel, which is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and impenetrable by bacteria. The steel is also non-toxic, human grade, and food safe, and is free of BPA and radiation. The bowls hold up to 16 ounces, or 2 cups, each. They are each 5.75 inches in diameter and 1.5 inches deep, plenty deep enough to contain your cat's food without spilling. Number 5. Bone Dry DIY Paw Patch and Amp, Stripes Ceramic Pet Collection. The Bone Dry Stripes Ceramic Cat Bowl features a stylish striped design combined with a cute paw print, so there's no mistaking who this bowl is for. The silicone rim on the base of this cat bowl will keep it securely in one place even if you have hardwood or tiled floors. This cat bowl is dishwasher and microwave safe, and suitable for wet food, kibble, or water. This bowl is perfect for large cats as you can fit a good amount of food within it.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.